Hi friends, I am here with another writing subtest which is for nursing and it was conducted recently on 6th February 2021. So let's look what's our position. You are a community health nurse who visiting regularly. So the patient name Mrs. Alistair Jordan since 2019. Patient details given, the name, age, social background. She's widow, husband died with angina and she has two sons, visit infrequently and leave away. She refuses to see sons. Drinks alcohol heavily, 2 liters per week, now reduced and takes occasionally. Then the psychological issues, fear of being in a large group of people, that is called agoraphobia, likes to be inside the home, then doesn't like to go outside the environment. Then next is the medical history. It's mentioned she has high cholesterol, osteoarthritis, then she was on physio sessions, virtue resection surgery was done, hypertension, then she has early kidney disease. Then the medications which are ramipril, naproxen, antacids. Now she thinks no one cares her and bother about her. So what's the complaint? She came today. During our visit, she feels loneliness, has good bonding with neighbors, confusion, forgetting medications, and dislike to cook. So, what are the plans? Low salt, low cholesterol diet, increase fruits and vegetables, encourage her to attend physio sessions, apply pain relief cream on her hands and knee, recommended to take flu vaccine as she is immunosuppressive, avoid aspirin or NSAIDs medication, monitor medication compliance. So what's the writing task? Using the information in the case notes, write a referral letter to care home manager Mr. George Fernandez explaining about Mrs. McAllister's history for her future care needs. Address this letter to Mr. George Fernandez Care Home. So let's look how we can write a model. So in this plan, first we have to plan. Sorry. You are a community health nurse and this patient is under your care for since 2019. So this patient is well known for you, but the receiver he doesn't know about this patient. So we have to include the social history, medical history, everything for him. Then we have to see what all things to. We can include she's a widow, but no need to write husband died, or we can mention the son visit occasionally. Then drinks alcohol, that is no need to write. He is just the care home manager will arrange the nurse and they will look after this patient because she is feeling loneliness and her condition is worsening. Then she had already this agoraphobia, so she always stays at home. Then regarding this medical history, we can mention she has high cholesterol and osteoarthritis and need physio sessions. No need to mention about the surgery because it was already completed, and we have to include hypertension because she is on medication and they are the ones should take care of her and they should provide the medications regularly. Then we can just mention the early kidney disease also. Then so today's complaints, that is the main important thing we have to mention. What happened, why we are referring to her. Then include the plans, what are the recommendations. So let's see. So as for all letters, just start with the addressee. The Mr. George Fernandez, care home manager, Auburn. Then the date 06 February 2021. So salutation, dear Mr. Fernandez, regard reference the Mrs. McAllister Jordan, aged 67. So we can write, I am writing to refer Mrs. Alistair Jordan, who feels loneliness and difficulty in personal care. That means she forgets to get medications, and also she cannot look after her in her self-care activities. She cannot do. Requires your support in order to meet her future care needs. So he understood why we are referring her to him. Then we can mention that Mrs. Jordan, that should be the next paragraph. Mrs. Jordan has been under our care since 2019 for the treatment of routine health issues like this: high cholesterol, hypertension, because nobody is with her. So the community health nurse was visiting her. So then we can mention during my home visit today. That is the important thing. She was found to be confused and forgets to take her medications. In addition, she has fear of being in a large group. Therefore, she prefers to be inside the home rather than outside environment. Then we can mention the contrasting idea. However, she has good bonding with her neighbors. Then that one is finished. Then we can go to the social history and medical history. So Mrs. Jordan is a widow and has two sons who visit her occasionally. Then the medical history. She has had high cholesterol and hypertension since 2009 and 2012 respectively, for which she is on medications. Then apart from this, she has been on physiotherapy sessions due to osteoarthritis. Then she was treated conservatively for early kidney disease. No need to mention everything. We have to make the letter concise. We have to concise the letter. Don't elaborate much. We should include the information carefully. If we put some irrelevant information, it can affect our score. And there should be a flow. When the reader will read this letter, it should be like a story. There should be a connection between that one. So it is easy for them to read. Then the recommendation. What are the recommendations? Considering the above, it would be greatly appreciated if you could take over Mrs. Jordan and provide appropriate care, including medication compliance monitoring. Or we can put, your expert care will be highly beneficial for Mrs. Jordan. There are different methods how to write the letter, but it should be impressive and also concise and should be clear, legible. Then it is important to maintain low salt and low cholesterol diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables. Then she was recommended to take fluvoxamine as she is immunosuppressive. Please note, she needs application of pain relief cream on the hands and knee. It is necessary to avoid aspirin or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. So please be careful just to try to avoid the abbreviations. Always elaborate just try to put the full form of the medications or any like HT and DM they're writing, but we should write hypertension, diabetes mellitus like that. Don't put any abbreviations. Then we can write the closing sentence. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any queries regarding Mrs. Jordan. So the name of the address given, so we can write yours sincerely, community health nurse. If the name is not given, it is like the director or the care manager, and there is no name, means you can write yours faithfully. I think it's clear for you, and if you have any doubts, you can put on your comment under this video. Okay, thank you, bye.